Jeez, I don't even know if I had it run the whole time.
No.
No, I did, because it would have.
Yeah, that's right.
So far, he's 100% right.
Ow.
Frog.
Lizard.
Mimo.
That's an airplane, Nemo.
Kind of looks like
Oh,
a
and
fish.
look, these are puzzles. We'll have to put those together. Look. Looks like. Yeah, there's a puzzle on the other side, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Those are really neat.
See that, Colt? Puzzle. Horse puzzle. He likes these guys. Yeah. Giraffe. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you.
Him. Do you want to get the open, Colt? Do you want to open the last one from Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay, here, put that down. Put it in there. Okay, here you go. Can you rip it? Can you rip it? Rip it, rip it, rip it. What's that? Oh, look. What is that, Colt? What's that?
Horsey.
Yeah, that goes to the
Oh.
horse. You want to go put it on your horse?
Yeah.
Okay. See, first you put the blanket on, like that. And then you put the saddle on.
That's a nice saddle.
Wow. Look at that.
Go.
He's gonna go? Okay. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you.